Since the birth of numbers, their influence has quietly permeated every corner of our world. They exist in the flow of time, in the path of destiny, in the code of wealth, in every fleeting choice, even in the casual roll of a dice. Random numbers may seem chaotic, yet they are destined by hidden order. All of it originates from the harmony of mathematics, the intersection of logic and mystery. This time, Mato presents a brand new perspective, unveiling 3 unique creations that explore the connection between numbers and the human mind. The magician displays a grid filled with mysterious numbers. The spectator freely selects several transparent acrylic pieces of different sizes, placing them over the grid according to intuition. When the numbers within the covered area are added together, the result matches the magician's prediction exactly. This is Destiny Calculus by Mato, where everything unfolds as destiny intends. Crafted from North American black walnut, the matrix is delicately presented with gold silkscreen printing, exuding understated elegance. Every combination of numbers represents both freedom of choice and inevitable fate. Its precisely engineered design allows you to focus entirely on your performance, no calculation required. Destiny Calculus. Let fate rest in your hands.